Alright, today I'm going to be dipping this wooden guitar body in a black carbon fiber pattern. It's real important with wooden parts that you seal it with a urethane sealer prior to doing your prep. This way the wood's not going to absorb any moisture as you're submerging it underwater. So this one has been sanded, prepped with a urethane sealer coat, primed, and then base coated in our flat black that you're looking at here. I've had my film hydrating for about 60 seconds now. I'm going to apply the activator. Alright, got enough activator on there now, so go ahead and dip my part. Looks good. Got it to wrap all the way around here. Well, the carbon fiber is kind of hard to make out in the video, but it's got some nice small detail in there. So now we can go ahead and rinse, and as soon as it dries up, I'll take it over to the clear coat booth. Thank you.